Hi, it's Mark Guin with MyrtleBeachRealEstateSales.com. Today I'm in Cherry Grove up in North Myrtle Beach. I'm standing on the deck of a duplex, oceanfront, for $600,000. This is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath upstairs, 1 bedroom, 1 bath downstairs, and you got that right, $600,000 duplex oceanfront in Cherry Grove. We haven't seen a price like this since back in 2002. It is definitely time to buy. Don't miss out on this. Give me a call right away and get the details. 843-685-9326. Another beautiful day in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina.